सीए इंटर ऑडिट नवंबर 23 में एग्जामिनेशन चाहिए, आ जाओ बॉस, दिला दूंगा। सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट एग्जाम स्ट्रेटेजी, नवंबर 23 सितंबर मंथ आने वाला है, पास हो सकते हैं ऑफ कोर्स, यस, एंड विथ मिनिमल एफर्ट्स। एंड बॉस, इसको प्रूव करने के लिए पूरा एनालिसिस लाया हूं फ्रॉम जुलाई 21 टू मई 23, पूरा देखना। हाय, आई एम सीए प्रज्ञेश कानाबार और मैं अपने बारे में ज्यादा बकबक नहीं करूंगा। यू कैन सी इट इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल ऑल्सो, बिकॉज आई नो योर टाइम इज मोर प्रेशियस देन इवन द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स। सो एवरीवन ओवर हियर, सीए इंटर ऑडिट नवंबर 23 को, सबसे पहले तो लेट अस बी वेरी क्लियर अबाउट द पेपर पैटर्न एंड सिलेबस विच यू आर ऑलरेडी अवेयर, बट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू जस्ट फिट थिंग्स इन द राइट फ्रेम। So you have descriptive 70 marks, MCQ 30 marks. MCQ 30 marks, you have case study based MCQs and individual MCQs. Case study based MCQs around 10 marks and individual MCQs 20 marks. Sometimes it flips, case study based MCQs 20 marks हो जाते हैं, individual MCQs 10 marks हो जाते हैं। Descriptive 70 marks, question number 1 is compulsory, that is correct or incorrect. So you have 7 questions each for 2 marks where you have to say correct, incorrect with reasons in short. Then question number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From these questions 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, you have to attempt any 4. So yahan se 4 and this one compulsory, 14 marks each. So 14 into 5 is equal to 70 marks. Now when we talk about your syllabus, so you have essay based chapters, non-essay based chapters. Essay based standards auditing based chapters are 8 chapters and non essay based chapters are 5 chapters. और chapter number मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं सारे के सारे. These chapter numbers are as per the ICAI material. Some professors use different chapter numbers, so please understand that these chapter numbers are as per the ICAI material. Now I understand what are your pain points. आपके pain points है, sir, we are not able to buy at everything. Sir, sometimes we understand the concept, but we are not able to understand that exactly क्या लिखना है under which concept, under which question and stuff. And sir, that is the reason that most of the times we feel very depressive when it comes to audit subject. But do not worry, put a big smile on your face now. Students, I want to give you a study plan. But वो study plan देने से पहले, it is important that you understand my analysis, alright, that I have done over here. This full PDF will be uploaded on my Telegram channel and it is accessible from there. ये एनालिसिस समझना जरूरी है, तभी जाके आपको एक स्टडी प्लान का आइडिया समझेगा, कि बैकग्राउंड समझेगा। बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी पीपल ऑन यूट्यूब मिसलीडिंग दैट आप ये 25 पेजेस पढ़ लीजिए, यू विल गेट 60 मार्क्स, you just see one video of 5-6 hours, you will get 60 marks. I am not happy with such kind of analysis. Alright, so July 21 to May 23 अगर हम देखें दोस्तों, मैंने जहां जहां पे भी स्टार मार्क किया हुआ है, alright, all of those are essay based questions, standards auditing based questions, and जहां जहां पे भी hashtag है, alright, all those are non essay based questions, alright, non essay based chapters है। आई थिंक इंटर सीए में यूजुअली ये देखा गया है कि जो नॉन essay based chapters है उसको बच्चे थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं, and when it comes to essay based chapters, alright, students are little weak over there, and because of that, that is the major reason because of which attempts by attempts लगते जाते हैं। So everyone over here, if you see star and hashtag, just focus on star hashtag, star hashtag, star hashtag. Question number 1, which is a compulsory question, correct or incorrect, which is the most scoring question. Alright, if you just focus on star and hashtag, you will see full of stars, 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 stars over there, and that is where majority of the students are losing out the game in exams. First, let me talk about the problem points. I'll also talk about the solution very quickly. Don't worry about it. I'll give you the target also. Now, if you look at the hashtags, there are some hashtags here and there, alright. And non-essay based chapters को बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा strong करके जाते हैं, तो correct incorrect में usually that is the reason that marks देखे गए हैं. The students are somewhere in the range of 4 marks, 5 marks, somewhere over there. Apart from that, they are not writing correct incorrect with reasons in short properly, and that is the reason that they are losing out on things. If you look at question number 2, again we see from July 21 to May 23, lots of stars, stars, stars. In a couple of attempts, we are seeing that a couple of hashtags, couple of stars. It's a mixed bag, all right, but mostly dominated by stars. That is standard-based chapters. And question number 3, we see heavily dominated by hashtags, hashtags, hashtags. And if you just have a look, ज़्यादा डिटेल में भी ना देखो तो भी ये चैप्टर नंबर 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 बहुत जगह पे दिख जाता है, ऑडिट ऑफ आइटम्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स, विच इज अगेन नॉट डन प्रॉपर्ली बाय द स्टूडेंट्स, ऑलराइट, बिकॉज वो लगता है कि ऐसा ऑन द स्पॉट लिख लेंगे, बट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली गिव द पेपर वो नहीं हो पाता है। Then if you look at question number 4, again lots of stars, whereas in July 21 we see lots of hashtags over there, alright, okay. Again, question number 5 is a mixed bag of stars and hashtags, that is a mixed bag of standards and non-standards. And question number 6 is largely non-standards, alright. Whereas in May 22, if you see यहाँ पे star, star, star आ गए थे, and that is the reason that May 22 result was the lowest, because non-essay based chapters, where students were heavily dependent upon, all right, वहाँ कहीं पे बच्चों का calculation हिल गया था, because question number 6 was lots of standards based when it comes to May 22 attempt. I'm talking about descriptive over here. About MCQs, I will tell you what to do at the end of this particular video. Now, so these are my observations. What is the major observation? That boss, no matter whichever question you pick, you cannot go into the paper with leaving few topics in option, all right, because if you do that, it's a whole mixed bag. तो क्या होता है, कभी कभी आपको एक क्वेश्चन, एक चैप्टर बहुत अच्छे से आता है, लेकिन वो लेट अस से क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में, ऑलराइट, लेट अस से ऑडिट ऑफ बैंक्स आपको बहुत अच्छे से आ रहा है, but analytical procedures and audit report you have not prepared properly. If I take this particular segment, all right, तो कंपनी ऑडिट अच्छे से आ रहा है, ऑडिट ऑफ बैंक्स अच्छे से आ रहा है, but these two topics you have not prepared properly, so somewhere you are scoring, and ये ना 4 4 3 3 होता है, और somewhere you are scoring 2 marks over here, 2 marks over here, 0 0 or 1 1, so you are coming out of this 5 out of 14, which is a disastrous performance, correct? तो ऐसा आपके साथ हो रहा है, and that is the reason that one thing is very clear, that you are not leaving things in option. Promise. But at the same point of time I can understand कि यार सब कुछ सब जगह पे तो you cannot be an expert, all right, so इतना सारा workload भी नहीं लेके जा सकते. Then what are we going to do? All right, so I'm very clear with my observations. Now I'm talking about the plan. Now your syllabus is divided into two, essay based and non-essay based. Now let me first address the non-essay based chapters, where we talk about company audit, where we talk about audit of items of financial statements, where we talk about audit of banks, where we talk about audit in automated environment, and where we talk about audit of different types of entities. तो एक चीज देखने मिल रही है, that question number 6, alright, you see it is heavily dominated by non-essays. And when we look at question number 6, apart from May 22, which we can keep it as an unusual attempt, alright, if we look at that particular question, we are very clear over here कि थोड़ा नॉन ऐसे बेस्ड डोमिनेंस ज़्यादा है, एंड कंपनी ऑडिट है, ऑडिट ऑफ बैंक्स हैं, ऑडिट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंटिटीज़ है. ऑडिट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंटिटीज़ फॉर श्योर इट इज़ देयर, एंड इट कैन गिव यू सम गुड मार्क्स ऑल्सो, करेक्ट? ओके, तो ये नॉन ऐसे बेस्ड में वन थिंग इज वेरी क्लियर, दैट ऑडिट ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एंटिटीज़ आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करके जाओगे. In that also cooperative society audit, government audit, audit of LLP, ये थोड़ा tough है, so you have to go slow over there. In fact, revision videos are also uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can revise it from there. And for TA students, you already have access to the videos and stuff. You can do it from there. If you're a TA student, the Audit Academy student, and if your videos have expired, anyways, you can go through the revision videos. इसलिए बस TA non-TA किया हुआ है, just for so that everyone understands कि सबका प्लान है यहाँ पे. So audit of different types of entities ऐसे करोगे आप. Audit of banks में let me tell you, NPA वाला जो पूरा पोर्शन है, alright, please do it properly, okay? And when it comes to other parts, for other points you can just read once the other points, लेकिन module questions you will do it properly. So module questions and NPA वाला जो part है उस पर आपका excellent grip होना चाहिए, and other points will be just read once, little bit idea you should have about what you're supposed to do. Now we see chapter 9 is heavily there in question number 3, yeah. ये देखो, also that May 22 was unusually, वरना देखो, okay. And question number 9 is audit of various items of financial statements, okay, audit of various items of financial statements. Now frankly speaking, वो 100 पेज का पूरा चैप्टर है, मॉड्यूल में है, alright, and there are around 74-75 items which are very sensitive over there, alright. Then in that case हम लोग कितना याद रखेंगे? Do not worry dear, Pragnesh sir is here. So when you go to the YouTube channel, alright, I have a 45-50 minutes video where I've given you a brief about how you can prepare this particular topic. Plus I've also taught the techniques how you can write it. Alright? And अगर सही में एक बात बोलो तो इसका एक पूरा summary notes का PDF मैंने बनाया हुआ है. Where is it? अरे in my Telegram channel. आ जाओ यार, दिला देंगे. So you can just go through the Telegram channel. You can see that वहाँ पे मैंने पूरा summary दिया हुआ है. Just go through that and prepare it properly. Trust me, you will come out with flying colors. But उसके अंदर जितना cover किया, at least you are going to do it. Promise? Alright. So that is your audit of various items. So क्या है ना, अपने को धीरे-धीरे, slowly we have to increase our score. Alright. Then we see company audit chapter. I think company audit chapter number 10 तो पूरे पेपर में कहीं ना कहीं, it is always distributed. Alright. It's always there. तो कहीं ना कहीं देखो, कभी correct incorrect में आ गया है over here. Alright, so you can just find the 10s, so many 10 over here. All right. So it's always there. Okay. Now that is the reason that company audit you are going to be very excellent over there. मतलब कंपनी ऑडिट में तो मुझे ऐसा कोई स्कोप ही नहीं चाहिए कि आपने बहुत ठीक से किया नहीं, हाँ, अदरवाइज कैमरा के अंदर आके मारेगा. सॉरी. सो कंपनी ऑडिट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट प्रॉपर्ली. ऑलराइट. स्पेशली ओवर देयर उसमें कारों का जो रीडिंग है वो भी आप अच्छे से करोगे. ऑलराइट. कंपनी ऑडिट में इफ यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स जैसे सेक्शन 139 टू 148 यू फाइंड इट लेंदी, देन May 23 में ही मैंने एक अपना ये मैराथन वीडियो शूट किया था. यस, I was not getting the name. So marathon video shoot किया था. You can just go through that particular marathon video and उसके अंदर सब कुछ covered है. Don't worry about it. And कारो वारों में if you are facing any difficulty, just download the app and have a word with me. I will guide you about what are the important clauses and stuff. Don't worry about it. All right. Okay. So these are the major areas on which you are going to focus. Sir, your audit in automated environment. I am seeing that students are struggling too much in audit in automated environment. But my dear friend, if you again go to the YouTube channel, all right, in May 23, just on the day of exam, I had uploaded a video on audit in automated environment. There are a couple of videos, part 1, part 2. If you just go through that, you are going to feel much better. Even if you cover it, even if you cover up that much, it is okay. चलो उतना भी नहीं होता है तो एक काम करो, मॉड्यूल क्वेश्चंस कवर कर लो फॉर ऑडिट इन ऑटोमेटेड एनवायरनमेंट. ऑलराइट. एंड देन व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, वो जो लास्ट में एट द एंड ऑफ द चैप्टर देयर आर सम एब्रिविएशंस गिवन ओवर देयर, तो वो शॉर्ट फॉर्म फुल फॉर्म वाला गेम जस्ट फिनिश इट ऑफ. ऑलराइट. देन आल्सो इट इज मोर देन इनफ. डोंट वरी, योर रिस्क विल बी मिटिगेटेड ओवर देयर, इट विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. तो नॉन ऐसे बेस्ड चैप्टर्स में इस तरीके से प्रिपरेशन करोगे आप. ऑलराइट. प्रॉमिस. इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व एमसीक्यूज एंड स्टफ, IC MCQ book is more than enough over there, but इतना प्रिपरेशन तो एटलीस्ट बनता है. And for all the chapters, promise me that जो module questions and illustrations है, you are going to do it properly. So I'm not asking you to do a lot of stuff. मैं बहुत specific जा रहा हूँ कि आपको कहाँ पे focus करना है. All right? Okay. Now, when it comes to essay based chapters, TA students, my students are, I'm not boasting too much, but my students are highly confident when it comes to standards auditing chapters because हम लोग उसको बहुत टाइम देके अच्छे से धीरे धीरे पढ़ाते हैं. All right. So TA students, you already have the videos and the notes and everything. You can go through that. But for non-TA students, all right, or TA students whose videos have expired, all right, if that is the case, then let me tell you wonderful revision, best revision I've uploaded for standards on auditing, जहाँ पे मैंने 4 parts upload किए, part 1, 2, 3 and 4. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ऑलराइट. जस्ट गो थ्रू दोज वीडियोस एंड उसमें जितना कवर किया है, यू आर गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट इन दैट. ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट इन दैट. आई मीन उतना पॉइंट्स यू विल प्रॉमिस योरसेल्फ दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट वेरी नाइसली. प्लस मॉड्यूल क्वेश्चंस यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट नाइसली. TA students, you already have module questions and stuff in the book, but just you can do it once from the module, so you feel better. Alright. So जितने भी module questions है उसको अच्छे से कर लो. Module questions and अंदर जो illustrations दिए होते हैं. Okay, so I'm not asking you to do a whole lot of past papers and stuff. Okay, now this is what you're going to do. Stay on my Telegram channel. I'm going to upload some test for Inter-CA. If you can write those tests from time to time, I'll be very happy. Test का practice आप कर सकते हो post 15 September or so. All right. So this is the ninja technique for CA students at Inter-CA level to clear audit paper. But let me tell you, अगर आप टाइम टेबल का प्रॉब्लम लेकर बैठे हो, नो, बिकॉज सम स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलवेज आस्किंग डाउट्स अबाउट टाइम टेबल एंड स्टफ, देन इन दैट केस यू कैन गो विद 2 स्ट्रेटेजीज. एक है बेटा वन शॉट यानी एक साथ बैठे 8 दिन बैठे खत्म कर दिया, 8 days into 15 hours ओवर. ऑलराइट. तो अभी तो 15 hours बोलेगा ना, अभी क्या 5 hours बोलेगा 8 days. ऑलराइट. सो कम ऑन यू हैव टू डू इट. November 23 आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग बम्पर रिजल्ट्स एंड आई नो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू क्लियर. दूसरा एक पीसमिल स्ट्रेटेजी वेयर लिटिल यू कैन डू इट ऑन डेली बेसिस. ऑलराइट. सो स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑडिटिंग के लिए इफ यू गो विद अ पीसमिल स्ट्रेटेजी इट इज ओके, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके खत्म किया. बट नॉन ऐसे चैप्टर्स यू शुड सिट वंस एंड कवर इट कंप्लीटली. ऑलराइट. ये सब खत्म हो जाने के बाद, ऑलराइट, इफ यू आर एबल टू, ये जो खाली जुलाई 21 से लेके नवंबर 22 या May 23 का तक जो आंसर्स है, May 23 इनफैक्ट लिटिल इजी पेपर, तो जुलाई 21 से लेके नवंबर 22 का जो पास्ट पेपर्स का है, ये कंपाइल्ड PDF विच आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल. If you can solve it, I'll be happy. But this is if time permits. All right. If you are giving both the groups, I can understand you are already with some time constraints. So अगर time permit करता और करते हो, then I'll be very very happy. All right. So I have given you the whole analysis. I've told you what you're supposed to do. I've given you the plan. I told you the important areas. Please don't leave things in option. तो मैं जितना बोला एटलीस्ट हर एक चैप्टर का उतना कर लो आप. All right. This is more than enough. पर मुझे ये मत बोलो कि 4 चैप्टर में ऑप्शन में छोड़ के गए. यू कैन सी द होल एनालिसिस. आप खुद ही एक बार देखोगे, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इज अ होल मिक्स्ड बैग. and that is where you are losing out on the attempt. But I know that you are not going to lose out now. बाकी छोटा छोटा पेपर का टेक्निक्स है वगैरह वगैरह, वो टाइम टू टाइम I'll keep on uploading on YouTube and also on my Telegram channel. So stay connected with me and give me a promise that you're going to clear November 23 and at least you're going to give your best shot. बाकी results तो किसी के हाथ में नहीं है. But I really pray for you and hoping to see you at CA final level. All right. All the best. Stay connected in our ecosystem. There are lots and lots of freebies coming up. Thank you.